Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing a game called Mischief. I think J-Man might have played this game.
Maxwell looks like my cat. You cannot tell me this looks like my cat. No, it look like my cat.
Okay.
What the hell
Okay.
happened?
This is an interesting game.
No, Maxwell.
Oh, what's this thing?
Maxwell.
Can I grab it? Oh, I can.
Where are you?
What's this thing?
Oh, it's a quarter. It's a quarter. It's a quarter. It's a quarter. I've got one right here.
Guys, where did you get? How you got that black hole in your hand?
Bro, come over here.
All you gotta do is follow me.
I'm waiting for you. Go up here, press all three buttons. Jump to the monkey. Jump onto the monkey.
Oh,
Jump on the monkey, then jump to the black hole.
Seems like a good deal of lag.
Press all three of these buttons. Jump to the chair. Oh god, missed. Jump to the chair. Jump to the
All three of what buttons?
galaxy chair. And then jump to the orb, the massive.
All three of
gigantic
what buttons?
orb.
All three of what buttons?
Those buttons there. Those.
Can I drop my quarter?
These to get this.
Drop my
to get
quarter
this,
this way.
bro, to get this.
Boop, boop.
Press them.
Yeah.
Jump to that chair. Jump to that chair. No, I'm here. Jump to that chair, then jump onto the black hole.
Okay.
Now you should have the cosmetic.
Where?
Hello, hello,
There you
Should have the cosmetic
Hello?
in your hand.
hello,
I don't.
hello.
Hmm.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Hey,
Oh,
bro,
nice,
bro,
nice.
I got this. I'm holding this. You want me to drop it, bro? You want me to drop this this item? You want me to drop this
Don't
item?
calling me. You're scary. No.
I pressed all three of the buttons. Is there any other steps after that?
Bro, I think I know what you gotta do, bro.
No.
So basically, what you gotta do
No,
is
no.
you gotta jump there, then go over there and do it. But first,
What do you mean?
Oh shit. Ah.
grab this corner.
This bullshit. Yeah. Bullshit. No. No. This is bullshit.
I actually might not be able to
Bullshit.
press the button.
Right, guys, watch out. No, bro, watch out. I'm gonna roll this coin down.
No. I said, ah.
Also, why is the black hole there? Genuinely.
Hey guys,
What the hell just happened? Spider-Man?
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. So yeah,
What
bye.
are we even doing this?